Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you dahi aloo purple recipe. For this recipe I have taken 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, to 1 inch cinnamon sticks, 1 small onion chopped, 1 and half inch chopped ginger, garlic cloves 15 to 16 and 1 green chili. Make a fine paste of all these. Keep a pan on heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. In the hot oil, add chopped purple. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the chopped potatoes and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Shallow fry all this on medium to low flame till the nice golden brown color came out. Then take it out and keep it aside. In the same pan add 6 teaspoons of oil. Then add half teaspoon of jeera, 1 bay leaf and 1 green cardamom. Fry the spices little bit with the oil. Then add 1 medium sized chopped onions. Fry the onions till it becomes little bit of brownish. Then add half teaspoon of red chili powder and give a mix. Now add the masala paste. Saute all this for 3 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt only for the masala. Fry the masala until the raw smell goes out. Add little bit of water and give a mix. When it becomes thick, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Give a mix. Then take 4 tablespoons of curd and blend it into a smooth liquid form. Add the curd. Do not pour all, add 1 tablespoon at a time. When you are adding the curd, the flame should be in low. Mix it well with the masala. Rinse the jar with little bit of water and pour it into the masala. Stir the masala until it becomes thick. Now add the fried parval and potato. Fry this with the masala for a while. Now add 2.5 glass of water to this. Then add the salt only for the gravy. When it will be boiled, cover it and cook it for 20 minutes on medium flame. After 20 minutes, check whether the veggies are cooked or not. You can see here I am using a knife to check it. Mine is done. Now I am adding the dry roasted and crushed kasuri methi. Give a nice mix and let it be boiled for 2 minutes. Then switch off the flame. Now our dahi parval aloo is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.